Arizona lawmakers are cracking down on loan modification companies that charge hefty fees and give false promises. Starting next July, they'll need to be licensed and have a background check. ABC 15's Mary Ellen Mercendez is joining us live. And Mary Ellen, some loan modification companies actually like this new law.
They absolutely do. Now, to give you an idea of just how bad this problem is, 1 in 8 homeowners are either late or defaulting on their home loans, and this puts them right at risk for home loan modification scammers.
This was the American dream, and I didn't want to lose it.
Kim Ekathorn came within 48 hours of losing her home to foreclosure when her bank finally agreed to a loan modification. This was after her husband lost his job.
It's a scary thing. This is your house. You have a family.
Desperate to hang on to her family's home, Kim turned to Steve Taplin of American Loan Restructuring. But it wasn't easy with all the loan scams. Kim was weary.
When they told me they would put it in an FDIC escrow account and wouldn't touch it until after the modification was complete, I felt safer that way.
Probably the #1 scam in the loan modification marketplace is false promises, money-back guarantees, but when it comes down to it, the customer's not getting it.
That's where Steve Taplin is thrilled with Arizona's new law, now requiring that loan modification companies be licensed by July 1st of 2010.
Because it will really help filter out the bad seeds. It'll force them to have background checks. It'll force them to be held to a higher standard, and it should really help push out a lot of these people that are taking advantage of people out there.
Now, Taplin says since that law does not go into effect until next year, if you're looking to modify your loan, you really want to pay attention to making sure, first of all, that the company that you used has been background checked, and second of all, see if they're asking you questions about your financial situation, because if they're not asking the right questions that the bank will probably ask, and the bank will probably determine whether or not you can get that loan modified. Live in Tempe, Mary Ellen Mercendez, ABC 15 News.